Check out this massive rug that I have in my living room. I literally just took it out of the package. So it came folded and wrapped in plastic. So it will take a little bit of time, but I know once I have it laying flat for a little while, all those creases are obviously gonna come out. Clearly, as you can see, I'm not the only one who loves it. My dog, as soon as he saw it, he ran to it and decided this was now going to be his spot. But yeah, really great if you have a large space. This one here is 10 by 14. They do have other size options as well. They do have lots of different colors as well. And yeah, so on the back here, one of the things I really love is just kind of the stitching here on this side. I like that it is looped that way, so you know that it's not going to get all frayed. And then down here on the bottom, it's not one of those like anti-slip or anything like that, but it is also going to be able to stay in place, because even though it doesn't have that rubber, it's kind of like that texture on there. It's kind of, it doesn't feel like straw, but like it kind of has that texture to it. I don't know if you know what I mean, but like, so it's not going to be slipping and sliding, even though it's technically not like an anti-slip. So I think that's really great. But yeah, if you are looking kind of like for that statement piece, because it's got like these beautiful designs on it, honestly, this thing is great.